Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana has morphed into something that you could call a descending triangle probably, which is holding support here but is making lower highs. Already warned in yesterday's video that there is a high risk that we are going to reset yellow wave 2 here, which we have done now with that new low. So it's probably an extended wave 2, but there is also risk or a chance that, let me see, it wouldn't need to sit here, but there's also a chance that this is going to reset the larger wave 2. Yeah, so if we get a sustained break below 1985, which so far the market has avoided to do, but if we do that, it's probably going to reset this wave 2 here. Yeah, so from here, yeah, to here would not be a major problem. But then it really needs to hold the $17.32 level to still give us, with a fairly decent likelihood, a chance for a relief rally in a third wave afterwards. So it's really, it's failing to break out at the moment. We have, I think, a lot of coins in different stages, even though they are all broadly in the same wave structure in these 1-2 setups. Some are showing more weakness than others. And while some have shown some strength, like for example, Chili's has shown some strength here short term. We've had Rune, BNB anyway. Others aren't really doing much. So for example, Solana has just been moving sideways over the last few days. There are a few others like Gala, also just sideways movement. So, within the overall same structure, I think we have these small differences where they have slightly different let's say structures on smaller time frames. But here, I'm looking at the option of a 1-2 setup. I want to say I'm leaning towards the direct breakout, but because I'm, as long as support is holding, I'm treating it like that. But always when I see things possibly changing, I'm going to issue a bit of a warning or a heads up and tell you that so far, even though we rallied quite nicely off the 10th of March low, it has failed to rally impulsively again. I mean, this is possibly a wave 1, which is, again, it would be the wave 1 of the third wave. But since then, nothing has really happened. So if this is now supposed to get into a third wave of a third wave, this would really need to be very, very bullish. So far, I can't see that, and the market has so far avoided to rally like that. So what we ultimately need to see for direct continuation in a third wave rally, then we need to see it hold 1985 and we need to see it break above the trend line. That would be the first indication that we are in the third wave. A break above the B wave high would be a much better indication though, and that's at 21.34. Then we could rally here in the yellow third wave. In target wise, in this yellow third wave, we're looking here at the 1.618 extension around $23.70. As a minimum, but that would just be the first sort of step, right? And that is pretty close to the previous wave 1 high anyway here of this one that peaked on the 20th of March. And that's overall the situation we're in here at the moment. Just sideways action, therefore not really any additional comments to the previous videos. We need a bit more patience here. Next week we might have some catalysts. I mean, we've got CPI coming out, PPI, and we've got the weekly candle close today, so maybe today they can break out of their individual ranges. Would be great, but we just need a bit of patience. These consolidations can take a while. We had a similar situation up here that was in January, February, before markets will move again, and then the impulsive price action will never take that long. So it's going to be interesting. For now, I think the relevant support and resistance areas are very clear. I think the trend direction should be clear, which is up at the moment as long as we're holding 1985. And even below 1985, we have 1732 as bullish support. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.